Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about what pills can I take to fall pregnant fast. No magic pill makes you get pregnant. There's little evidence that any vitamin or herb improves fertility. Some supplements may actually harm your health, so don't take any without talking to your healthcare provider first. If you are struggling to conceive after 6 months or a year, you can see a fertility specialist, who may prescribe Clomid, clomiphene, if you infrequently or never ovulate. Clomid is a common fertility drug that can stimulate regular ovulation, allowing you to more easily time sex when you are most fertile. It's important to note that Clomid will only help if the issue is female ovulation. What to watch out for in supplements? There are a few things to watch out for. Be aware of fillers used by larger companies, such as artificial coloring, GMOs, and even hydrogenated oils. Be mindful of all-in-one claims as well, as a supplement that has everything you need in one pill will ultimately end up sacrificing something. As far as this minute, there is not a magic pill that contains all of the nutrients needed for fertility. Supplements for men. Supplements aren't just for women, either. L-carnitine and L-arginine have both been shown to increase both sperm count and motility, and zinc boosts testosterone levels in studies. Go beyond the supplements. Beyond fertility supplements, I recommend making sure the basics are taken care of. This is just as important when trying to conceive. For example, focus on making sure you are properly hydrated, getting all of the nutrients you need, and sleeping for at least 7 hours each night. Set aside time in your day to do something you love that gives you a sense of peace, for example, exercising or meditation. These stress-releasing techniques will help you get into alignment, physically and mentally, with the energy needed to create life. Once pregnant, make sure you see your doctor or trusted healthcare provider to determine exactly what your unique body needs for a healthy pregnancy and joyful baby. Wishing you all the very best and happy conceiving. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.